Self-Yelitz treatment plant near Lindvallen ski resort is facing a transition. The area has a large tourism industry, so the volume of wastewater varies greatly between low and high seasons. Apart from an expansion, the treatment plant is preparing to include advanced pharmaceutical removal to comply with the new EU legislations that will be enforced. The effluent from the treatment plant is discharged into the Vesterdal River, which is a protected nature area and home to numerous rare and endangered species. To preserve the river's biodiversity and the surrounding ecosystem, it's therefore crucial to avoid the release of pollutants like active pharmaceutical ingredients, also known as APIs. To significantly reduce the discharge of APIs, Mellifiq has introduced a scalable container-based solution as part of its expansion plan. This solution has been seamlessly integrated as an extension of the current treatment process and consists of 3 primary steps, each meticulously engineered to eliminate all types of micropollutants. First, the wastewater is pre-treated using Mellifiq's custom-designed water-made FlexCarb system. This system utilizes sand media to effectively eliminate suspended solids and impurities from the wastewater with minimal pressure drop. With a removal efficiency of up to 99%, this system guarantees exceptional purification downstream. Additionally, the fully automatic backwashing functionality ensures regular, sustained filtration capacity, preventing clogging and maintaining optimal performance. Following filtration, the wastewater is treated by an Ozone Tech-tailored high-performance RENA Tellus ozone system. Using oxygen-fed configuration, high-concentration ozone generators, along with a carefully automated ozone dissolution process, we ensure lowest possible cost of ownership and an operational cost of less than 5 cents per treated cubic meter of wastewater with more than 95% removal level. The operation of the system is optimized and customizable based on extensive flow, pressure, and dissolved ozone concentration, allowing control of any byproducts such as bromates. Safety sensors are also implemented, which ensures operator peace of mind and compliance with local regulations. The treatment process undergoes a final polishing step before safe release into the recipient using specifically selected catalytic and impregnated media to remove any residual oxidation transformation products or APIs from the upstream treatment steps. The combination of pre-treatment, advanced oxidation, and adsorption generates ample redundancy to ensure micropollutant removal rates far exceeding current and future requirements without the use of any chemicals. This 3-step process, combined with advanced automation, effectively eliminates a minimum of 95% of the pharmaceutical residues from the wastewater. For a wastewater treatment plant like Self-Gillette, we eliminate 100 to 150 kilograms of active substances every year, which is equivalent to more than 350,000 painkillers. The process is energy efficient, environmentally friendly, and chemical-free. These modular systems can be customized to meet specific needs, effectively handling any challenges in advanced water treatment. A containerized modular system is easy to integrate into an existing treatment plant and can be placed outdoors regardless of weather or climate. They're also designed to be scalable and fully automated to keep operating and maintenance costs low while providing reliable performance, backed by a 10-year warranty. By implementing Mellifiq's state-of-the-art pharmaceutical residues treatment system, the biological diversity in and around the Vesterdal River can retain its pristine nature, and endangered species are protected. Revolutionize wastewater treatment with Mellifiq's advanced wastewater treatment solutions.